Sometimes the best meal doesn't start in kitchen. They begin with a memory of cold, tired nights, and one food that made everything okay again. For one family, it was always chicken, nothing fancy, just made with care, and garlic, always garlic. Before anything else, there is intention. I start by gently scouring each drumstick, not for look, but for the purpose. So, every flavor, every spice, spit into the very heart of the chicken. That is the difference between just cooking and cooking with love. I begin with salt, the base of balance, then a touch of Caribbean spice and roasted garlic to bring the warmth of home, deep and bold. Italian seasoning for comfort. A sprinkle of anise seed for sweet and aromatic. Soya sauce for deep, bouillon for richness, black pepper for bite, and just a pinch of chili pepper for the soul. Finally, I finish with drizzle of olive oil to marry it all together in harmony. Set it aside for 30 minutes. The oven is already preheated at 350 degrees Celsius. Not too hot, not too slow, just the right warmth. Now is the time. I added 3 fresh garlic cloves, nestled gently between the drumstick like guardian of flavor. Then arrange them on a baking tray, each one ready for its transformation. After 15 minutes, I brought it out, but we're not done. Now comes the soul of the dish, a generous coat of olive garlic sauce, sweet, sticky, and sincere. Back into the oven for just 5 minutes, just enough for the sauce to soak in, to hug the chicken and lock in everything we've built. And now it's ready, golden, glossy, and glorious. Every bite, a reminder that simple ingredients, when treated with respect, can create something truly special. But in the end, it's never just about the recipe. It's about the story behind it. And today, we just told a beautiful one. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to cook chicken drumstick? Like, subscribe, and share this with a foodie friend. Follow us on Instagram and on Facebook as Spice and Heritage. Thank you, love you, and see you next time. Bye.